This is the Emart Professional Lighting Kit. It's a content creator's dream and will greatly improve your product review videos, unboxings, or photo shoots with its continuous bright light.
Are your videos dull, dingy, and dim? Well, make them pop with this inexpensive lighting kit from Emart. Here are the lights. They're very easy to set up, and I think they work great. Hey, this is Rick. Welcome to VidTech with Rick. Well, we have got this very inexpensive lighting kit. It's a fluorescent lighting kit, very easy to set up and very powerful. It makes me look fantastic, which is hard to do.
The kit includes 2 light bulbs, 2 photo umbrellas, 2 light stands, 2 single-head adjustable lamp holders, and detailed instructions. Now, I love working with this lighting kit because it's compact, easy to manage, and has everything you need for a successful shoot. Plus, it's affordable.
Now, when I'm doing product reviews or unboxings, this is the light kit I use.
Each of the 2 energy-saving CFL light bulbs have the equivalent brightness of a 200-watt regular bulb, but they don't put off a lot of heat. And because the light bulbs are daylight temperature, you'll be able to use them in a room with lots of windows. The translucent white photo umbrellas give you soft, even light, making you and your talent look great. Try using just one light in a dark room for dramatic scenes or emotional interviews.
Now, I was first introduced to the Emart lighting kit through the green screen kit I bought from Emart, and that has been working great for a lot of different projects I do, but I needed a second kit. So this very inexpensive $60 kit is just the lights and the stands and the umbrellas, and it works fantastic. So now I basically have 4 lights because I can combine the 2 kits.
The single-head photo lighting lamp holders are strong and adjustable, keeping your lights and umbrellas exactly where you position them. And finally, the sturdy light stands adjust to almost 7 feet tall, yet they can shrink down to just 2.5 feet for easy storage.
Now, it does not come with any kind of a bag or any kind of a convenient holder. You could use the box, but that's not cool. So just get a small duffel bag that will fit the light stand collapse, and you're good to go.
If you're an influencer, photographer, or content creator, you'll love the versatility of this durable, affordable, and extremely useful photo umbrella lighting kit from Emart.
So if you're looking to get some light on the subject and keep your videos from looking dull and dim, then try the Emart lighting kit. I think this one is fantastic, only $60, and it will make your videos pop.
Check out the link in the description to find out more.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.